So here welcome to for loop in Python. For loop is also very important concept in Python programming language. So let me show you how it works. So imagine you have a basket of apples. Imagine you have a basket of apples and you want to count how many apples are in the basket. Instead of checking each apple one by one, you can use a for loop. You can use a for loop to help you count them automatically. Here's a simple explanation with the Python. So let me show you with the help of program. In this example, we have a variable called basket of apples that stores a list of different color apples. The program uses a for loop to go through each apple in the list and perform the same action for each one. The line of the line for apple in basket of apples tells the program to repeat the following instruction for each apple in the list. Inside the loop, we have a print I see an apple. I see an apple. This line prints the message I see and following by the color of each apple in the basket. Yeah, that line is actually gonna print I see an apple that is actually of different kind of colors. Okay, it does this for each apple in the list. After the loop, we have print I counted and the length basket of apples in the basket. This line prints the total number of apples in the basket that are actually executed by using the length function. That length function is actually return the length or number of elements of the list. Okay, so the for loop help us go through each item in a list, and in this case apples in the basket, and perform specific action printing the color of each apple. So here is a specific action that is actually printing the color of each apple in the basket. It's like having a magical machine that automatically checks each apple in the basket and tells you its colors, so you don't have to do it manually. So that saves a lot of time. That's a very important concept in a Python programming. I hope this explanation helps make the for loop simple to understand. Let me know if you have any more question, if you have any more query related to that concept, then comment down below. Okay, so see you soon in the upcoming next section. Stay tuned.